In a tragic turn of events, a young Taylor Swift enthusiast met with a devastating accident while en route to the Stars concert. 10-year-old Freya Pokarier, along with her sister and mother, faced a horrifying collision with a semi-trailer on February 15. Freya was airlifted to Westmead Children's Hospital in Sydney, fighting for her life with critical injuries. Tragically, her sister, 16-year-old Mika, lost her life in the accident, while their mother, Kim Litchfield, sustained severe injuries. In the wake of this tragedy, the family's godmother, Carly Fox, launched a GoFundMe campaign, which has garnered an outpouring of support, raising nearly $90,000. Despite the challenges, there's a glimmer of hope. Freya's condition is showing signs of improvement. She has been moved from intensive care to a dedicated rehabilitation ward. Her mother shared updates, noting positive signs such as movement in Freya's left arm and reactions suggesting she may be hearing her loved ones. Freya's father expressed gratitude for the overwhelming support received, emphasizing the impact of the community's kindness during this difficult time. As the family continues to navigate this challenging journey, they plan to celebrate the life of Mika when Freya's condition allows. That's a wrap for today's video. Our thoughts are with Freya and her family during this challenging time. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your well wishes in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned to Celeb Explore Hub for the latest updates.